Oops. Hey everyone, it's me, Elmo. Will you help me wake up Amber? Because Amber doesn't want to wake up yet. Hey. Amber. Hey, Amber. Amber doesn't want to wake up. Amber. Amber. Hey, Amber. Wake up, Amber. Oh, there. Elmo got to wake up Amber. Amber doesn't like Elmo waking her up. Oh no! Oh no! What's wrong, Amber?